Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the pre-London, the Forex Dynasty. Yeah, we're going live for the pre-London session market analysis. We're gonna analyze the market together, find entries and exits, you know. And yeah, starting with the with XAUSD as usual, US gold. As we predicted yesterday, today's candlestick will be a little bit massive for bearish momentum. So on a weekly time frame, yeah, the market is now very bearish, very bearish. This weekly candlestick in Berkshire 15 hours, only 15 hours. Remember today is on Friday, the last trading day of the week. So we have some few hours, 15 hours for the day to end. So now, there's a matter of now just being very much selective for the trades that you're gonna take today. So that once you take them, to see any drawdown at all. And now that is XAUSD on a 4-hour time frame. The market is literally bearish. The market has been selling. It has been dropping now, which means the trend is very bearish. But now we need to check the zones. For example, now we have a zone here whereby the market did a break of market structure, or we can call it a BMS. The market did it here, a change of character, and also it did a sort of an ugly head and shoulder pattern here. You can see it. If you can see that, the market has already formed a head and shoulder pattern like this. Yeah? The market was like this, forming a bullish momentum. Up to a zone that has formed a head and shoulder pattern like this. Now the market decided to break the structure like this. So this market is simply like this one. So you have a bullish market that has been creating high highs, high lows, and a bullish momentum, whereby it formed an head and shoulder pattern like this one. So the market has already changed the character at this level. You see, the market has already changed the character at this zone. So basically, once if the market does a change of character, the market will always retrace back to the zone where it did a breakout for sales. Now, the same thing now we are waiting here. So for this one, we're waiting now for just a pullback like this for more sales, like that. So because we have we already have a change of character, so just a retracement for drops. The same thing here. So just a retracement for drops opportunities on gold. Now, use the time frame on a 2-hour time frame. So we're gonna wait for a pullback, guys. That's what we are gonna wait on gold. A retracement back to that level for more sales, right? So if I go back on a 1-hour time frame, very easy. A pullback. Once if it does that pullback, we'll be interested with those buys, yeah. So this market is supposed to buy at this level. If it will, it will respect. If it will respect, well and good. We're gonna buy that XAUSD at that zone there. So guys, a mini pullback to this zone for sales. So our ideal type of trade is this one. Once if the market reaches back to the neckline where the market did a change of character for more sales, our ideal type is this one for drops. Not this buy, it's just this sell. But now if a buy confirm itself, we know why is it buying, and we know at which place it's gonna stop. So just a retracement back to this level for sales. So once if it does that pullback, well and good. We are very much okay to take a sell. But again, if this market on the 50-minute time frame confirm that buy, the next 15 candlestick will hold above this area here on which it's on an OB. It's still a very nice buy opportunities on it. Not bad, right? Not bad. So a long position here. Stop loss a little bit below this level. Take profit at this high. for a very good RR of 1:3.16. So let's wait in the next 10 minutes. If that candlestick maintain that bullish momentum, then guys, we are very ready to go to get in on those buys. Yeah, we are very much ready to get on those buys. So in the next 9 minutes, let's wait for that candlestick to close, and it closed perfectly. Is it closed below? Because once if it closed below the OB, it means that that order block is not valid. When it close below that level, in a manche is not valid. But again, if it close above, it means very much okay. But ikifunga below, no, we are not interested with it, and then we are not going to take an entry on XAUSD. So it's easy, very easy peasy. Just a confirmation. Once VT does that, a buy on gold. Yeah? A buy on gold. Once VT close in the next 9 minutes, that's what we are all waiting for a buy. Because we are buying the market on a low, on a demand zone, which is very correct. We are buying it on another block low, which is very correct. We know that this market is gonna retest back because it has sold sana. So we are trying to get that retestment. We are trying to get that pullback. Now we don't use fib in such trades because this is a very nice one setup. So no need of a fib level, guys. No need of a fib level at this area. Go to the next pair. As we're waiting for gold in the next 7 minutes to get in on those buys. GBP JPY. Higher time frame, EG2 time frame. The market, it has been consolidating, guys. GBP JPY has been forming weak. So this kind of market that you should be avoiding at this market now. Look at this. Can you look at these wicks up and down? Can you look this rejection, this liquidity, whatever you can call it? It has been there. You see? So hata ukichukua trade, look at these wicks. Wicks. You can't really relate on it. We can't really take a maybe trade on it until the market now decides a very good momentum. Na itoke ndani hapa, this is a consolidation because it's not good for us to trade. To be honest, not that good. The same thing as JPY basket. The market has been in between these levels. Having a good view on it, and also this JPY basket. This is 0 USD. Again, it pumped to an area of interest and sold. So come at and already to that level for more drops. So hopefully for a sell again on it at this level. So we should be waiting for rejection here for a sell. We should be waiting for rejection here for sales opportunities on this BTC on this Euro USD. So sales at this level on Euro USD. So just a confirmation before we take a trade. But it's very bearish at that level. It's a fib level though. BTC since then the market has been bearish. The market sold for a very good 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. It was very nice. Not even 1 to 4, 1 to 4.8. So that is it for BTC. But now The market is on a certain level, which I believe so. You all can all see that. Let's go. Let's get into gold before it pumps on. It's already gone. So prepare for a buy on gold. SL at around below the candlestick that has already confirmed. So SL at 4309.882. TP at the next high, which will be at 43. This is not a scalp trade. This is a trade that you're supposed to hold. TP at around take profit 43.47. Point 0.4. So I do see some very strong buys on gold. You guys ready for a buy on gold? Still have 1 minute for that candlestick to close. We need a confirmation. We need a candlestick closure before we take any trade. So guys, yeah, let's get in for that buy right now. Make sure you're on a buy right now on gold. You guys on a buy? Are you in on that long position on gold? Yeah, so guys, let's keep holding that buy. Remember our stop loss at 43.09, TP at 43.47. It's a very good buy. Take a risk and get rewarded. So I wish you a peaceful day. This market is more likely promising to pay us. So keep holding it. Don't maintain your rules. Make sure you put your stop loss where it's supposed to be. Never trade without a stop loss, and also make sure your take profit is in place. And I wish you all the best. See you guys later.